Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning captions on and off on Instagram Reels. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open Instagram and go to the Reels tab. Tap on the three dots button from the right menu bar. Then choose Manage Captions from the options. You can then use the toggle to turn captions on or off. When captions are on, the toggle will be blue. Changing the captions will apply to all reels until you change the setting again. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.